Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register for government tenders. Participating in government tenders can unlock incredible growth opportunities for your business, providing stable contracts and expanding your market reach. However, the process can seem daunting at first. Don't worry, we're here to simplify it for you. We'll go over the key stages, from initial preparation to successfully navigating the registration platforms, ensuring you feel confident and ready to bid. Before you even think about clicking register, thorough preparation is absolutely key. You'll need to gather all your essential business documents, like your company registration certificates and tax identification numbers. Make sure any industry-specific licenses or certifications are up to date. And importantly, have your financial records in order. This foundational step ensures a smooth registration process and demonstrates your business's credibility to government agencies. Taking the time now will save you headaches later. Once your documents are ready, it's time to dive into the registration platforms. Most governments use dedicated online portals for tender processes. Your first step is to identify the correct portal for your region or the specific type of tender you're interested in. Then, you'll create an account, meticulously filling in all your business details. This is where you'll upload those prepared documents. Double-check every piece of information for accuracy. Precision here is paramount for successful registration. After successfully registering, the journey continues. To truly maximize your chances, make it a habit to regularly check the tender portals for new opportunities that align with your business. When you find a promising tender, read every single word of the requirements. Understanding the scope and evaluation criteria is critical for crafting a winning bid. And remember, if anything is unclear, always reach out to the issuing authority for clarification. Proactive engagement can make all the difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.